everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a fantastic day. I have today the Look Fantastic box, so let's get into it and see what's in here. Fantastic is gifted to me for review, so this was sent to me free for review, but you will get my honest opinion. It is a monthly subscription box. It comes to us from the UK. It is $19 per month, but if you extend your subscription, the price drops. I'll put all of that information below. I don't think they told me what my discount was for this month, so I will also let you know that down in the description. Usually it's if you sign up for a year, you get the first box for $10. And the beauty of signing up for a year with Look Fantastic is you don't pay for your year in advance. You still pay month over month, you're just committing to a year. Let's see what they sent us this month. When we open it up, we have our paperwork, and Look Fantastic is they're like the Sephora of the UK. I think they are the #1 cosmetics seller over there. This is just their beauty box. You can go to the Look Fantastic site and just shop for beauty products. You don't have to just do the box. That is what it looks like. Let's dive in. If I did not say it, this is the February box, and right up front it shows us cheater what's going to be in the entire box. Let's try and get past that. And then it tells us individually. They don't give us prices on this, so I will try and find prices for you and put them here. First out, we have a Glow water only makeup removers. We have two. Oh, they're hearts. That is so cute since this is February for Valentine's Day. That is so stinking cute. Let's take them out. Look how sweet. So you have two. The back is a little fluffier. I don't know if you can tell. The back is a little fluffier than the front. Those are adorable. Also, kind of handy. Let's see what the paperwork says. The luxurious soft material that covers the pads glides across the skin effortlessly, removing makeup, dirt, and grime. You can also be kind to the environment while being kind to your skin, as the pads are washable, so you can continue to use them again and again. I have, zero exaggeration, I probably have 50 or 60 of this sized things that, like today when I'm done taping for eye makeup removal, they say you can do it all with water. I still use all my cleansers, or if I use an essence or a toner, I use it with those, but I don't ever just use these. I always use a cleanser too, but they say that you can just use these. Well, those are stinking super cute. They have gone to a new shred. I don't think I can get this across here. Let me bring them up closer. It's almost like fabric. I mean, it's not, I don't think, no, it's definitely not, but whatever the material is feels different than the shred we normally get, and there's no floof from it. You know how sometimes things are coated in the color of the shred? This doesn't have that feeling. There's no dust from it. I know, it's kind of like the box. That's another weird thing to focus on, but things like that make me happy. Next out, we have a Pixi Skin Treats Glow Toner. It is ½ an ounce, and it is exfoliating toner. So that is what that looks like. It's a tiny little guy. I'll be interested to see when I look it up what the value on this is. It says restore balance to your complexion with this ultra refining glow tonic from Pixi. Powered by glycolic acid to gently buff away dead skin and impurities, the purifying treatment helps to refine the appearance of pores and stimulate cell renewal to create a brighter canvas. Well, I'm not going to open this because, as you guys can imagine, anything that has a glycolic acid I can't use as a toner. If you are new to the channel, I have super duper sensitive skin and I can't use any of the acids, glycolic, lactic, anything that kind of is meant to make you look younger, sadly enough. For reaching in next, we have foot therapy. I love doing these. Collagen infused booties. I am thrilled with this. I have been trying to do one of these once a week through the winter. It's helping, but my feet, I know a lot of people, because you run around barefoot in the summer, a lot of people have more dry skin on their feet in the summer. Mine seems to be at its worst in the winter. Let me know below. You know what? You might not ever have bad feet, but if you do you find it to be worse in the summer or the winter? Okay, interesting. They seem to have only told us in detail about 4 of the products. So I would say 4 of the products are what everybody is going to get, because when I couldn't find the foot thing, I went back to the front page and it is shown on here, but there are too many products on here. So there are 11 products on here. So you will get a combination of some of this in some way. in your box, so a variation. But I would say since the book has these 4 in it, this is the 4 that everybody's going to get. So the glove was part of it. The pixie is part of it. The foot is not part of the 4 that it seems everybody's going to get. And on that overall, it just says a Beauty Pro foot mask. Removable toe tip. Why would you want to take your toesies out? I guess maybe if you want to do your toenail polish while you were doing this. But then would you want to pull up? I don't know. It says it's collagen, sweet almond, and peppermint. I can't wait to try this. I love eye masks, and foot masks are my favorite. I also enjoy a hand mask. I like masks. My next product out, and also something everyone seems to be getting, is the Balance Me Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum. I don't use vitamin C products because that's like the acids. My skin is too sensitive for it. But I wonder if I could try it under my eyes. This Balance Me Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum promotes a radiant, supercharged contour. Equipped with hard-hitting ingredients, the formula seeks to minimize the look of puffiness. Elderberry flower complex energizes and nourishes, helping to rejuvenate the delicate eye area. And the 2 ingredients it brags about are elderberry flower and ylang ylang. Well, there are not ingredients on here, so I am not going to open this until I decide for sure if it's something that I can use. And the last thing that seems to be in the core 4 of the products that we're all going to get is is it Bybee? I'm never sure how to say this. The Bybee Cleanser, Clarity Cleanser. This has lactic acid in it too. A combination of powerful antimicrobial and antiseptic ingredients, including rosemary and cypress, help to break down dirt, grime, and oil, and smell like a minty forest. Your skin feels truly cleansed and not clear but stripped. And clear but not stripped. The way I said it initially would be bad. Let's see. This, you know what, this isn't sealed, so I'll go ahead and show it to you. It says it has lactic acid in it, so I don't think I would choose to necessarily use it on my face, but it's just perfectly clear, so let's see what it smells like. Oh, it is very minty fresh. Tea tree? Does it smell like tea tree? Like even that little bit that I just put on my hand, I can almost, I don't know if you can see it, I'm so white, whip into a foam. It smells almost like tea tree to me, but it said rosemary, right? Willow bark, does that smell like tea tree? I don't know. But it smells good. I mean, I would absolutely use it. I for sure won't try it before summer. With lactic acid in it, I might pass it on and let my daughter try it, but it smells really nice. Reaching in for our last product in this, I have a Dr. Botanicals LM Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. I have one of these open. It must be downstairs. I'm gonna go ahead and open this anyway because I like, oh, I was gonna say mine isn't purple. When I started taking it out, I could see only the purple top and I was like, oh, mine's not purple, it's definitely yellow. But they've made it a rainbow. That is so pretty. I saw that they had changed up the box, but how cute is that? This is one of the products that can be a variation, but that's what mine looks like. It's normally just all yellow like that. This is much cuter. Well, the back doesn't really tell us anything about it. So what I will tell you about it is it's just like, I use it like a hand cream. It's a little bit thicker. I don't know if that comes across than a hand cream is, and they call it a rescue balm. So I suspect they want you to use it somewhere that is extra dry. In fact, my hands are always extra dry, so that's an easy get. It smells so good. The lemon is citrus is the predominant scent from it, but yeah, I mean, the wrinkles on the back of that hand are just gone. They're gone. I like that. Sometimes I set them back here. Oh, my lights are not on. I'll have to fix that in a second. And sometimes I've been doing it in here lately, and I think this probably makes it easier for you guys to see. So in the Look Fantastic box for February, we got the Beauty Pro Foot Therapy Foot Mask. I am 100% behind that. The Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood Rescue Butter. The Glove Super Cute Hearts to remove our makeup. The Bybee, or is it Bee-Bye? I'm gonna go with Bybee Clarity Cleanse, the Balance Me Vitamin C Eye Serum, and the little Pixie Glow Tonic. This month, for your face, kind of focused on clearing out the dead skin that might have been winter, because this has lactic acid in it, this has glycolic acid in it, and this is vitamin C. So they definitely had a theme going this month. Unfortunately, it's not perfect for me, but I have people who will like this. Also, if you are still here, I did not know this was happening, but this month, in addition to my box, Look Fantastic sent me another box. I think it is exactly the same. I'm gonna peek inside, I haven't looked yet. I'm gonna peek inside and see if it's exactly the same. And we're just gonna give it away. So when I open it up, it is the edit sale. And you know what? I'm gonna try not to break through so it'll look new when it gets to you guys. And let's see, this one's sealed so well. See the glove? Hold on, I can pull the paper out. Okay, from this end, I can see the glove and the foot mask, and that is it. Of course, I chose the wrong end to get in. It is the exact, it looks to be the exact same as the box I just showed you. I'm trying so hard to keep this fresh and nice. So that is what that looks like. Did the best I can. I put the book right back on top. We'll close it right back up. If this is a box that you think you would like to try, we'll do it as a giveaway. I am not going to announce it as a giveaway. When I just have things like this, I think we're just going to do it at the ends of videos so that those of you who actually watch my videos and stick around, and I want to say thank you. I mean, I want to say thank you to everybody who watches my videos, but especially those of you who have been around and are watching them. They look fantastic. I'll probably put in a couple of other treats. So we will just do this as a giveaway like I've always done my giveaways. I will tell you right now to look down below. I will put all of the giveaway instructions that I follow down below. You have to be 18. You have to be, I'll say again, a US, Canadian, or UK citizen, because I feel confident when they come from the UK, I feel confident sending them back to the UK that I'm not sending anything I'm not allowed to. So this one will be US, Canada, and the UK. Please give this video a thumbs up, like this video. You have to be a subscriber. I like to come up with a word that you guys can comment down in the comments, not because I want to single anybody out, because there are people that probably don't care about having this box, but they would comment. So in our comments below, let's use the word exfoliating. This seemed to be kind of an exfoliating leaning box. So if you could work in the word exfoliating just casually so everybody doesn't be like, why is everybody saying, you know what? Just use the word exfoliate in any of its tenses. Exfoliate, exfoliating, exfoliated. Use it as creatively as you'd like. And like I said, I'll put the other rules below. Like, I'll throw away all of your information once I send you your box. I don't keep it. This has nothing to do with Look Fantastic or YouTube. I think I've hit all the high points, but again, check below in the description for the giveaway rules. Okay. Thanks again, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I really appreciate you sticking out with me here to the end. And I just wanted to say thanks again. So I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And take care out there, guys.